Hey guys, so today we're unboxing
Roblox Live Bag.
from this one because this is the third one from last night. If you watch the tutorial, that's from last night. Just put it here.
Around this.
So let's open it. Come on. Wait, we need to see the rarity first. The rarity. Oh, I need to put this on first. Oh, no. Let's see the rarities we got before we open it. There's common, uncommon, rare, epic, secret, divine, and OG. I forget the legendary and mythic, but there's no space left, so I didn't put those two. So sorry guys. So let's see what we got. We got. I wish we got OG right there. Are you ready? We got OG! Let's go, guys! We got OG! Now, we need to cut these.
Bad boys.
Two bad boys. We need to cut it here because I put that there.
And those are bad boys, huh?
Sometimes they're gonna cut the other one. But we're gonna so let's see it. Let's see it first. Let's see. A pearl bag. It's kind of bit ugly, guys, but it's beautiful for me. Let's see. Oh, cell phone is squishy.
The cell phone
Those who remember Robert is dead. Those who remember him. This is him. So this is the cell phone. I put squishy on it.
Let me do my phone.
No, so cut it here. We'll help Samsung because she's still working on cutting, but she's not good at cutting figures.
Yeah.
You accidentally cut her.
Oh.
The Roblox.
This is the custom meat.
Guys, this is something from Roblox.
But it's a custom.
Yeah, we put different one because we still don't have enough spice.
Yeah.
So you can add a Canon 7603. If it's wrong, I'll just put it under the comments. So let's see the other one.
I wanted to say that earlier.
It's okay. We'll say it. We always say it. I'm just gonna help Samsung to cut your photos. I'm sorry guys, but that's the only one. So we got OD, we got cell phone and bag. And he said, oh my god, I got my bag and my cell phone. Bye guys.
Bye.
Bye guys.